What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to reset your scooter, clean all the settings and make it like a fresh, especially when you have some errors, so it will help you to erase this error and actually it will work much better than before in case you made some settings mistake or in general some issue with your scooter. Alright, so here I have Ninebot F2 Plus and I will show you what you should do to reset it. Basically, firstly, let's turn it on, so you can set any mode, depends what you want. Actually, the battery life also doesn't important whether it's charged or not. The most important, turn it off, and then what you should do, you should simultaneously press three things. It's the start, here is the start button, the gas button, the power button, and the brake. Here what you should do it all simultaneously. All right, let's do it right now. We are turn on, then we hold all the three simultaneously, disable it, and that's it. So that's actually the first method. It should be resetted. In case for you scooter didn't work, so there is second method. You should hold the brake and gas at the same time. Hold it like this for around 3 seconds and turn on the scooter. So you will see this picture here and written 14. So actually it means your scooter resetted. So then you can just put it off and it should work. It should be resetted, cleared and working well after this manipulation.